Good morning. Today I am getting ready to show you guys a new glasses chain that I made. Something else I'm really passionate about is I really love makeup. I've always really loved makeup. And so I thought it would be fun to do makeup and outfit that would go with each of my designs. So today I'm getting ready to do that. I'm gonna take pictures and stuff. I think it's gonna be really fun. But I just made this new glasses chain for my upcoming collection, and I don't know if you guys saw my post that I had made yesterday, but basically instead of releasing items just as I make them, I am going to curate a collection and make things that I really love that I hope that you guys will really love too, and then release them all on a launch day. So basically what that would look like is in the meantime between now and launch day, which I have a date in mind but I'm not ready to release that yet. Between now and launch day, what I would do is I would be making all these creative designs, getting the photos taken, showing little sneak peeks of behind the scenes and my creative process, and photos of said creations, and maybe outfits styled around the creations and just things like that. So also, if you see my makeup right now, it is looking a little bit crazy, but trust the process. The look I'm going for today is a really messy, the trashy Y2K big glittery smoky eye type of deal. So the messier it is, the better, really. This wasn't a time when makeup was all about precision and clean crisp lines and things like that. This was just, I'm doing my makeup chaotically today. You can see I keep walking back to the table, but doing my makeup was always really chaotic growing up at that time too. You would grab an eyeshadow palette and you'd sit in your bedroom floor in front of a mirror and do your makeup, and it wasn't really what it's turned into now. But anyways, so I'm just doing my makeup and talking about this. But yeah, that's just kind of some ideas that I have for the future of Maddie's Artistic. And yeah, you guys let me know what you think about those ideas, and also let me know what you think of as nostalgic, because that's kind of what this whole drop is going to be inspired by, is nostalgia and, designs that I find nostalgic, and just trying to capture that feeling of growing up in the early 2000s. So yeah, I'm just finishing up the makeup, and then I'm going to give you guys a little show too of how I put this on. So to wear a glasses chain, it's really easy. So you just loop it around each end of your glasses, and then you put it over your head. Now you can wear it either over your hair or under your hair. I like to wear mine under my hair. And you can also move them forward if you'd like them to be closer to the front of your face where it's more visible, or backward if you want it more hidden in your hair. And I don't have any issues with this getting tangled in my hair or it pulling or anything like that. That just is not a thing that happens to me. And I've been wearing these for quite a while now, over a month. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like, and that is how you wear it when it's not on. Thank you so much for watching.